So I had no power to the R wire on the thermostat. Went to the air handler and pushed on the left side. Show you that. Went to the air handler, pushed on the left side, and tightened this screw here. But you see, what's happening is it's got a service door switch here. So what I'm going to do is see if we can bypass that. Okay. This one I don't see the service door switch, but I see this relay. Look, a little funny. So I'm going to push on that, and definitely when I pushed on the unit, it seemed to affect it. Here's the R wire. Wow. But look at, there it is right there. See the R wire disconnected from that terminal. So all I gotta do is restrip that, rewrap it around the little screw and reconnect the R wire. That's all this one is. Whew. Alright. See where it broke off there, right there. Be easy then. Won't be much light here, but something. Just gonna strip it. There we go. And then wrap it around the wire right there. I need the light of my phone here. Okay. Okay. Should be it. Alright. It looks like when I pushed on the door, it was just pushing this little bit of wire to reconnect. So glad to work that out, fix that up. Okay, put it back together. Should be good to go. Should be good at the thermostat, so I'll just recheck the thermostat there. The Nest lost its charge, so I just switched it with another Nest that had a full charge, although it should charge on its own now. When I switched it to, and it is verifying that it has power. I'm actually going to pull this one and see if we hop the old one back in that was dead, if it'll charge itself. Yeah, see, it's got the little red light, so that's good. So it wouldn't have charged itself. So it should be back in the mix in a couple minutes here. So I'll put it back together and we should be good. Look, it's picking up now. So that's great. Yeah, it's because that R wire disconnected, so done deal. Looks like it programmed okay. So we can set date and time. Set time. Okay. It is March. So you got to push the button to engage it. March 16th, 2020. Okay, and it is, oh boy, what time is it? Okay, it's 10:45 a.m. a.m. Pacific, and it's done. Yep. Done. Alright. And now we're going to set for AC. Just verify it turns on. Okay. And of course, you have to go below the temperature. There it is. Nice. Okay. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. I'm going to verify that the heater turns on just in case. Sometimes you'll find these set for, what happened there? I want heat. Ooh. Switch to heat. There we go. That was weird. That's good to go. Alright. Okay. Turn it off. we're good to go. And it's back to its thermostat, just in case someone had it connected to Wi-Fi or whatnot. I didn't need to switch thermostats, so it's good to go. But it was just that R wire things to look for. The door switch was actually already bypassed or already gone, so many years ago maybe. But just kind of, at least it lets you know about the things to look for. And check your breakers too. But my breakers were all good, so we are good to go. Nest, no power to R wire.